Hi Crafty Gang, just a reminder that our Easter craft collaboration goes live this week and I need your links by the, well, so should we say the 27th, 28th? You can start sending them now basically so that I can add them to the playlist ready. So if you can set your videos to go live on Wednesday, so schedule them, that would be great. Please remember to mention the craft collaboration. So if you put Easter craft collaboration in your title, like as a hashtag, and also in your video description, and put @miniscenesgb on the end of it as well, because that will help it to all link up and then everybody can find all the videos easily, and it just keeps it all together so that people can binge watch to their heart's content, which, let's face it, that's what we all want. That'll be so. To send me your link, just email me at miniscenesgb@gmail.com, or actually, you know what? You could stick your link in the description of this video for me. That would do a treat as well. Any of you who's in my Discord group for crafting YouTubers, there's an actual thread in there as well, so you could pop them on there if you prefer. Either way, just make sure I get them all, and we're ready to go live. Exciting, isn't it? See you soon.